Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage. Let's go bats. First 1 to 5 questions are to find out the paragraph from which the given statements have been taken. First is examples of wildlife other than bats which do not rely on vision to navigate by. Bats के अलावा और जंगली जीवन के एग्जाम्पल्स जो नेविगेट करने के लिए विजन पे डिपेंड नहीं करते. ये स्टेटमेंट आपको मिलेगी पैराग्राफ बी में. Obviously the night-flying insects that they prey on must find their way about somehow. Deep-sea fish and whales have little or no light by day or by night. Fish and dolphins that live in extremely muddy water cannot see because although there is light it is obstructed and scattered by the dirt in the water. Next is how early mammals avoided dying out. Early mammals अपनी लाइफ को कैसे सेफ रखते थे. This related information is in the A paragraph. In the time when the dinosaurs dominated the daytime economy, our mammalian ancestors probably only managed to survive at all because they found ways of scraping a living at night. Next question is, why bats hunt in the dark? Bats रात में ही क्यों शिकार करते हैं? This is mentioned in A paragraph, but the daytime economy is already heavily exploited by other creatures such as birds. Given that there is a living to be made at night, and given that alternative daytime trades are thoroughly occupied, natural selection has favored bats that make a go of the night hunting trade. Next question is, how a particular discovery has helped our understanding of bats. कैसे एक डिस्कवरी ने हमें बैट्स को समझने में मदद की. ये स्टेटमेंट आपको मिलेगी ए पैराग्राफ में. But the underlying mathematical theories of radar and sonar are very similar, and much of our scientific understanding of the details of what bats are doing has come from applying radar theory to them. Next question is, early military uses of echolocation. Echolocation के early military uses मिलेंगे आपको D paragraph में. Both sides in the Second World War relied heavily on these devices, under such code names as ASDIC and sonar, as well as radar or RDF, which uses radio echoes rather than sound echoes. Next 6 to 9 questions are fill-ups. Facial vision. Blind people report that so-called facial vision is comparable to the sensation of touch on the face. In fact, the sensation is more similar to the way in which pain from a dash arm or leg might be felt. सेंसेशन सिमिलर है जिसमें पेन फ्रॉम लेग और समथिंग को फील किया जा सकता है. Although the sensation may be referred to the front of the face, like the referred pain in a phantom limb. तो इसका आंसर होगा phantom. Next question is, the ability actually comes from perceiving dash through the ears. ये ability आती है कानों से किसी चीज को perceive करने पर. Blind people, without even being aware of the fact, are actually using echoes of their own footsteps and of other sounds to sense the presence of obstacles. तो इसके आंसर के लिए आप या तो echoes या फिर obstacles लिख सकते हो. Next question is, however, even before this was understood, the principle had been applied in the design of instruments which calculated the dash of the seabed. इससे पहले कि कुछ समझ में आता, इस प्रिंसिपल को उस इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के डिजाइन पे अप्लाई किया गया जिससे सीबेड का कुछ कैलकुलेट किया गया. Before this was discovered, engineers had already built instruments to exploit the principle, for example to measure the depth of the sea. So its answer is depth. Next question is, this was followed by a wartime application in devices for finding dash. इसके बाद कुछ ढूंढने के लिए इसे यूज किया गया. After this technique had been invented, it was only a matter of time before weapons designers adapted it for the detection of submarines. Its answer is submarines. Next 10 to 13 questions are to complete the sentences. First is, long before the invention of radar, dash had resulted in a sophisticated radar-like system in bats. Radar system किसके परिणाम स्वरूप invent हुआ था? The sonar and radar pioneers didn't know it then, but all the world now knows that bats, or rather natural selection working on bats. तो इसका आंसर होगा natural selection. Next question is, radar is an inaccurate term when referring to bats because dash are not used in their navigation system. Radar के navigation system में एक चीज के ना यूज होने की वजह से ये inaccurate है. It is technically incorrect to talk about bat radar since they do not use radio waves. तो इसका आंसर होगा radio waves. Next question is, radar and sonar are based on similar dash. radar and sonar same चीज पे based है. but the underlying mathematical theories of radar and sonar are very similar. So its answer is mathematical theories. Next question is, the word echolocation was first used by someone working as a dash. Echolocation word को firstly use करने वाला इंसान कुछ था. The American zoologist Donald Griffin, who was largely responsible for the discovery of sonar in bats, coined the term echolocation. So its answer is zoologist. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.